Welcome. I'll be teaching you how to play the song Your Alpha and Omega. Alright, the song begins here. You see those notes? I'm holding B, C sharp, and F sharp. You come to this sustained C sharp, then you come to D sharp, and then G sharp. Alright? Our number one, if you know the chord, whatever we call chord progression, chord number one, that is F sharp chord. Come from number 5, no more number 5. So the song begins here. You are Alpha and Omega. That is our number 2, but inverted. That is second inversion. You see those notes? Go to B. This is B. That is B. You come to this chord. I'm holding a D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and B. Our number 2, first inversion, 1/5. We move from number 5, number 6, number 7, and then we finish. The diminished chord, that is our number 7, and we end up with 1. That is the stanza now. The whole thing. Finish with the diminished chord. All right. Yeah. Then to chorus, we give you all. It begins here. See this chord, I'm holding F sharp, I'm holding A, and I'm holding D sharp. To my left, I'm holding C. See that other chord? That is our number 6. So it begins here. Then we repeat whatever we have done in the earlier stanza. Okay, let me repeat that verse. That's part. Begins here. The Lord, we worship you, the whole thing in the key of F sharp. Let's begin. Then, yeah. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and God bless you. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.